Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your camera view in Call of Duty Mobile. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now, if you want to change your Call of Duty Mobile game's camera view, then make sure to launch open your game first. Once you're logged into your account for Call of Duty Mobile, then simply tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up your settings page. Tap Basic from the left hand side menu. Scroll all the way down to the camera option, and from the camera option, select whether you would like to use TPP option or the FPP option. If you want to change it to the third person camera, make sure to tap the plus button and select the camera view you would like to use. After you are done, you can go back and start the game in order to change your camera view. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.